भानुभक्त आचार्य Bhanubhakta Acharya 1814-1868 is widely celebrated as the first poet of Nepal and is honored with the title Adi Kavi, meaning the first poet. He played a pioneering role in determining Nepali literature and is best remembered for translating the ancient Sanskrit epic Ramayana into the Nepali language, making it accessible to the common people. Bhanubhakta was born in 1814 AD in Chundi, Ramgha, Tanhu district, Nepal, into a Brahmin family. His father, Dhanyajay Acharya, was a government official and his grandfather was a learned scholar. He received a traditional education in Sanskrit, literature, religion, and philosophy from an early age. Bhanubhakta is most famous for translating the epic Ramayana from Sanskrit into Nepali. His translation, known as Bhanubhakta Ramayana, is a keystone of Nepali literature. He translates the epic into a folk-friendly method, making the story of Ramayana nearby the general publication who couldn't read Sanskrit. This signal act is credited with inspiring the Nepali language and making it a literary medium. During that period, Nepali literature was dominated by Sanskrit workers, which were understood only by scholars and priests. Ordinary people who could not read Sanskrit stood poor of access to such knowledge. Bhanubhakta realized the need for literature in the common tongue and took the initiative to translate Valmiki Ramayana into simple and romantic Nepali poetry. His translation not only brought the great epic closer to the mass but also enhanced and standardized the Nepali language. Apart from the Ramayana, Bhanubhakta composed poems, letters, and other works that reflected social issues, devotion, and moral values. His writing style was clear, rhythmic, and easily understood, which helped him connect with people of all backgrounds. Bhanubhakta faced personal hardship, including custody due to a legal dispute. Even in jail, he continued to write, creating works, and expressed his feeling about justice and life struggles. His poem also criticized social variation and highlighted the importance of morality and education. He passed away in 1868 AD, but his legacy continued to inspire generation. Every year of Asar 29 around mid-July, Nepal celebrated Bhanubhakta Acharya Jayanti to honor his contribution contribution to Nepali language and literature. Bhanubhakta Acharya is remembered to just as a poet but as a cultural reformer who gave the Nepali people literature in their own language. His works remain a precious part of Nepali literary heritage.